Hi! Welcome back to another episode of Spot the Knot. First of all, allow me to thank CG Boost for featuring this video series in their newsletter. To the new spotters who've just joined us recently, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you. Secondly, I've recently started to work on my short animation project, Eat Sushi, which is why uploads on this channel have been and will be slow, as I have to prioritize my schedule accordingly. If you want to follow the progress of the project, the link is in the descriptions. And now, the answer for the last episode is D. A big round of applause for everyone, as we have a new record for the total correct guesses at 68%. The flaws that immediately stood out was the poor tracking result. I really need to up my tracking game. Many of you also pointed out that the reflection on top isn't looking right. Here's a breakdown of how the scene was made. The steps are pretty similar if compared to the previous videos. The different challenge this time is for me to create a detailed toy which is modeled after an actual real piece that belonged to the playhouse. The details were modeled separately mostly. To make them look like it is one piece of plastic that came out of the same mold, I used the bevel node to kind of weld everything together. Perhaps I could present a more detailed demo in a quick tuts video on how to use this technique in the near future. The theme for this episode is antiques. In this scene, I have a total of 6 vintage props that are displayed on a couple of wall racks. All of them are real, except for one. Can you spot the knot? Is it the gramophone, the oil lamp, the radio, the clock, the fan, or the telephone? Please leave your answer in the comments, along with a short analysis of how you've arrived at that conclusion. And I will feature the correct answers in the next episode, together with the breakdown of how I made the scene. Of course, there will also be a new scene for you to spot the knot. So please subscribe if you want to get notified for when the next episode is uploaded. Thank you for watching, keep it real, I'll see you again in the next episode.